Hey there. So, if you're tired of manually posting on Instagram every single day, yeah, this video is for you. In this guide, I'll show you how to automate your Instagram using Zapier and ChatGPT, so content creation and posting happens almost automatically. No face, no complex coding, just simple automation that actually works in 2026. Quick overview first, so you know what's happening. Zapier will act as the connector. ChatGPT will generate captions, and Instagram will be the final destination. When a trigger happens, like a new idea or prompt, everything flows automatically. All right, first things first. Make sure you have three things ready: a Zapier account, access to ChatGPT, and an Instagram business or creator account connected to Meta. Personal Instagram accounts won't work for automation, so yeah, this part matters. Now jump into Zapier and create a new automation, also called a Zap. Choose a trigger. This could be a Google Sheet row, a form submission, or even a manual input. Basically, this trigger tells Zapier when to start the automation. Next, this is the fun part, connect ChatGPT. Here, you'll send a prompt like, write an engaging Instagram caption with emojis and hashtags for my niche. ChatGPT generates the caption automatically, so you never have to write one from scratch again. Finally, connect Instagram through Meta. Map the caption from ChatGPT, attach your image or video, and choose whether the post goes live immediately or on a schedule. Once you turn the Zap on, yeah, that's it. Your Instagram is now automated, and that's how you automate Instagram using Zapier and ChatGPT in 2026. If this saved you time or sanity, go ahead and like the video, subscribe for more automation guides, and I'll see you in the next one.